Let's get a look at the latest weather forecast now. We've been joined by our meteorologist Tamsin Green, and we're focusing on the cyclone outlook in Western Australia. Tropical Cyclone Mitchell up to a Category 3 intensity. What does that mean?
Yeah, so that means as Tropical Cyclone Mitchell is now Category 3, it's now a severe tropical cyclone. So we can see, looking at the enhanced infrared satellite imagery, just where this system is located, just off the coast of the Pilbara there, moving southwestwards fairly swiftly, to be honest, at a speed of around 14 kilometres an hour, which is quite fast for a tropical cyclone. Could slow down, and if it does, that wouldn't be great news, because that means it could intensify further in these warmer waters. Now, it's very close to the coastline at the moment, and we're already seeing some very strong winds there, looking at 120 kilometres an hour in some spots, and we are anticipating seeing the potential for very destructive wind gusts, possibly in excess of 195 or around 195 kilometres an hour along that Pilbara coast. So we are expected to see some dangerous and destructive conditions. Some abnormally high tides as well will bring the risk of some flooding and some coastal storm surge to these areas. We can see on the radar, pretty well defined, the eye just orientated to the north there of Karratha, pushing southwestwards, and we've already seen some pretty heavy rainfall as well, some spots getting close to 100 millimetres since 9 a.m. on yesterday. So we will see further heavy rain as this system continues to push southwestwards, anticipating seeing around 100 to 200 millimetres in the next 24 hours as this system continues to crawl along the coast, remaining at strength at a Category 3 system, at least until Monday. And it looks like, in terms of landfall, that could be later today, could be overnight, depends on when exactly that eye does brush the land. So watching that very closely through today. Through Sunday and into Monday, that could be making landfall around Exmouth. So that's the prime spot we're really watching, that could be seeing some very damaging, devastating conditions there, with the risk of those very strong, damaging, destructive winds, very heavy rainfall leading to risk of flash flooding and also coastal storm surge there as well. So looking at those 24-hour rainfall totals, the peak really looks to be between Karratha and Exmouth there, and we'll see that rain push further inland as that system then drops further inland over the next few days, bringing very widespread heavy rain across Western Australia's Pilbara and also the Gascoyne. Just quickly to mention, elsewhere today we do have a threat of storms, potentially some severe thunderstorms pushing in from the outback towards New South Wales, including Victoria and the interior of South Australia as well. So there is a threat of seeing some severe storms, widespread heavy rain across the interior and also pushing across the east and southeast through the course of today, Alex.
Tamsin, thank you very much.